In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom product options in Shopify without using any apps. If you're running an online store, having versatile product options can make a significant difference in how you present your offerings to customers. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to easily add custom options like size, color, or any specialized field directly to your Shopify products, helping your customers make more personalized choices. First off, you'll navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is the main hub where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage everything from your store's inventory to its design. Once you're in, look for the Products section on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and it will display a list of all your products. Choose the product you want to add custom options to by simply selecting it from your list. Once you've got your product selected, scroll down to find the Variants section. This is where you manage different variations of your offerings, like multiple sizes or colors. You'll see an option that says Add Variant, which allows you to introduce a new line of options to your customers. Click on that, and you'll enter a new screen. Here's where the fun starts. You can add a new option by selecting the option name, field, and typing your desired option, such as size or material. In the next field, enter your options separated by commas, such as small, medium, large if you're working on sizes. It's straightforward and allows you to input as many options as you need. Don't worry about making these changes because Shopify lets you return and add or adjust these options anytime. Once you've entered your custom options, there's some important tweaking to do. You need to adjust the price, SKU, or even the barcode for each variant if necessary. This step ensures that your inventory management stays streamlined, even when offering different product variations. Enter these details for each variant accordingly. Remember, keeping things organized here can save you lots of time managing your store. Now, all that's left is to save your changes. Double-check everything one last time to ensure all your variants are correct because once customers start interacting with these options on your site, you'll want everything running smoothly. After you're confident everything looks just right, hit that Save button. Your product page now reflects the changes, offering customers the ability to select their preferred options effortlessly when purchasing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created custom product options in Shopify without needing any third-party apps, making your store more attractive and interactive for your customers. This approach lets you keep things simple and straightforward while avoiding additional app costs. Happy selling, and enjoy the creativity that comes with customizing your storefront.